Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about the factorization of polynomial expression. Here we are following class 9th in textbook unit 4.2 question number 6. So in question number 6 we have few questions which are some are related to perfect square formula and we can solve it through a factorization middle term break method as well. So before starting, please subscribe our channel so that you can learn or more videos which are coming in future. So first we will start with part 1. Part 1 is 81x4 and 16y4. So you can see this can make the square of the term. So first we will arrange these terms like 81x4 plus 16y4, and now we have this term 6x 36x square and y square. Now we will make like this term is 9x square over square plus and 4y square square, right? So to make perfect square of this term, we have to uh, add or subtract few terms here. So a is 9x squared, so we will write like this 9x squared plus 4 squared over formula. 2 is from formula. Now a is 9x squared and the b is 4y squared, right? Plus and 4y squared over whole square is b. Now we added these terms, so we have to subtract this term as well because we already told in last class in maths, if we are adding few terms in any expression, so we have to subtract their term as well because we have to make balance of that expression, right? So the remaining term is 36 x square and y square, right? Now we will simplify this term like this. This term can make the perfect square of like 9x square plus 4y square over whole square. And this will be made is 72 minus 72 x square y square. And this one is 36 x square y square. So now we will simplify more and give the reference here. Here we have to give two references. First reference is adding and subtracting 72x square y square. This term is 72x square y square, right? So we add and subtract both terms. So now we have give the reference of formula like we have a square plus 2ab plus b square equals to a plus b whole square, right? Now we have the formula 9x square plus 4y square over whole square, and this is for 36x square y square. So now we have to make like a and b here. So first we have 9x square plus 4y square over whole square minus 6xy whole square. So this is a and this is b, right? And now we will apply a squared minus b squared formula here. So 9x squared plus 4y squared plus 6xy, and here 9x squared plus 4y squared minus 6xy is, so we will give the reference here a squared minus b squared equals to a plus b and a minus b, right? Again, we can arrange these terms 9x squared plus 6xy 4y squared and 9x squared minus 6xy plus 4y squared. So this is the answer of this part. Now we have question number 2. Question number 2 is x4. Part 2 is x4. This one. So here we have 25. So we can make like perfect square of this one. First we will arrange them. X square over whole square plus 5 whole square plus x square is here. Now we have to make like this one is a and this one is b. So we have to arrange like this way. X square plus from formula a multiplied by b. Then we have b square. Again, we are adding this term, so we have to subtract same term because of um, balancing this equation. So adding and subtracting 10x squared, because this term is 10x squared. So now we will solve this. Like this is A and this is B. So we have to give the answer is x squared plus, right? And now we have to minus 5 to the 10 x squared plus x squared. Now we have like give the reference here, x squared plus b squared to a plus b whole squared. Now this one is 9x squared, right? And you can write it like this way, 3x whole square, right? Then this is a squared minus, and this is b squared, right? So x squared plus 5 minus 3x and x squared plus 5 plus 3x is the answer of this question. These are the factorization of question part 2. Now we have question part 3. Part 3 you can solve by yourself and tell the answer of this question in the comment box. Now we have the part 4. So again we have to see like this part, the term 1 and term 3rd is making square. So we will like make this day 6, this one, and here we have 9b squared over 2 square minus 97a square b square. So we are arranging this time. Now this is a and this is b. So we can make or add few terms here to 4a square 9b whole square plus 9b square whole square. Because we are adding this term, so we have to subtract this term as well. 9b square minus 97a square b square, right? So now what we will do is we will simplify. This is a and this is b. So a is 4a square plus 9b square over whole square. Now we will multiply this term. 2 4 the 8, 8 9 the 72, a square b square minus 97 a square b square. Now we have to add this term. Answer is of adding this term is 169. 4a square plus 9b square over whole square minus 96, minus 69 a square b square. So if we have square root of this, so we get the 13. So here we will give first the reference like a square plus 2ab plus b square equals to a plus b whole square. Now we have this term is a. We will arrange like this way. Minus 13 ab. So this is a and this is b. Now we will have the formulas 4a square 9b square plus 13ab multiplied by 4a square 9b square minus 13ab. Right? So these are the factor of this question, and we have to give the reference here a minus 1, right? So these are the answer of this question. I hope you understand these question. This is related to perfect square, completing perfect square method by adding and subtracting the terms. So in next class, we will see another types of factorization. I hope you will learn through this. I hope you learn through this many types of the factorization of polynomial expression. In next class, we will see some other types. So take care. Bye-bye. Thank you.